we've seen how prompts can be used to essentially program the large language model to do interesting things for us automatically. We've seen how they can be set up in the past and then affect the future of the conversation. They become sort of essential rules that can help direct what the large language model does. Now, what's interesting is that in many cases, there's actually a root prompt that's hidden from the user in some of the different tools that you're going to end up working with. And these are essentially root prompts that define sort of ground rules for the large language model and its interaction with the user. So these can be things like trying to make sure that the large language model doesn't say anything offensive, do harm, suggest inappropriate actions. All kinds of things can be done to try to put ground rules in place for our interactions with the large language model, or to help direct it to do certain things. So for example, we might want to make sure that whenever it gives us output, it tries to produce the most helpful output. So let me get you an example of what this might look like. I'm going to say, you are my personal assistant. Whenever you provide output, please think through what would be the most time-efficient recommendations to make. Only recommend things that will really save me time. Do not suggest things that do not save me time. So now it says, understood, as your personal assistant, I will prioritize providing you with time-efficient recommendations that will help you save time. Please let me know how I can assist you. Okay, I need to go grocery shopping. What would you suggest I do in order to buy my groceries? And then it says, here are some time-efficient recommendations for grocery shopping. Make a shopping list, plan your route, use a shopping app, shop at off-peak times, opt for self-checkout. Okay, I need to buy a new car. How would you suggest I go about doing this? And it says here are some time-efficient recommendations for buying a new car. Research online, contact dealerships online, schedule test drives, negotiate price, secure financing. By following these recommendations, you can save time and make the car buying process more efficient. Now, I don't know